Barista is there on latte art. Latte art pro. Guys, I was so surprised this morning. I went to visit this coffee shop, but to my surprise, the barista surprised me. Look at how the mall was still empty, so absolutely empty. Let's find out what the barista was doing. Good morning, Toby Estate. How are you guys this early morning? My able barista is there on latte art. Latte art pro. Today morning, I've decided to visit Toby Estate with my baby boo there. Of course. Let's have coffee, guys. So how is it?
Good. Of course, from the woman.
She said it's good. Let's figure it out.
Very, very busy. Very busy.
Today we are opening 3, right?
It's amazing.
We are 3 morning. Okay? I'm almost done.
One of the best coffee I've had this morning.
Live?
They need help. They need help. The coffee is so delicious. It's so demure.